I'm happy that they came and pick up the cake so they can enjoy it. It's really good. I tasted a bit of it as well. So, you know, I don't give them something bad, but it's really good. Happy. Okay, strawberries. First, I want to wash them a bit. Okay. And I let my slippers at the door and have them like this. Poultry, 5 Celsius, overcast. Let me get my slippers and try to lock better the door. Okay, whew. Let's wash these and cut strawberries in smaller pieces. Whew. I hate what they call black ice. That thin film of ice make driving, yeah, really hazardous. But here, people are acting like they haven't saw snow or they haven't drove in snow in a million years. It's like we are having tropics here, and it's the first time they see snow, and it's like Vikings, Asburn. I don't get the notification from the raids. I have to fix that up. Viking, how are you? Asburn, I saw you streaming. You were starting the stream just before mine, few minutes, and you were cooking fish or something. I saw you a bit. How are you? Thanks so much for the raid. Everyone freaks out and forgets how to drive. Exactly, Weasel. It's like mayhem here. So I'm cutting the strawberries. Guys, I've been, since Thursday when the power supply came, I tried to do settings on everything on my OBS, on my PC. I managed to fix most of the things. I actually managed to fix the webcam, and I actually have one here. But before the stream, Windows had an update and I restarted it. And I started the stream and the camera doesn't work after that. So yeah, and I have another problem with the redeemable things. I don't know, I downloaded and installed a program which I will use for the redeemable things, and they don't work. Yeah, Casco, so yeah, but we're getting there. Okay, we're getting there. I'm fine, Asburn. I'm okay. I'm fine. Yesterday I had a lovely day setting up my computer and stuff. I actually took a nap yesterday, 30 minutes nap, but I felt amazing. We watched yesterday in Discord a nice movie, and yeah. And right now I'm making a pizza, and also I'm making a dessert with strawberries and blueberries. And look at the size of the strawberries. Megan will totally fix it. She should come here and fix it. Yeah, definitely. I totally believe. Oh, and I forgot the cake to give to my sister. I forgot this one. I forgot this one to give my sister. I gave all the others and I forgot this one. Yep. And we're gonna open a kombucha.